James and I are going to make the easiest things in the whole wide world, believe it or not. Rice Krispie treats. And they are so beyond easy, we are actually going to record the whole thing as we go. All you need is margarine, Rice Krispies, marshmallows, and a good cup of tea. Okay, we are going to do this in practically real time. So, we are starting with 3 roughed out tablespoons of margarine, and I'm going to put them here into a microwavable container. There they are. And into that we are going to add how many cups of marshmallows, James?
4 and like a half.
4 and like a half. Okay. Dump in the 4 and like a half. Dump way up high and they can see the marshmallows.
There's your 4.
Woo! And like a half.
Here comes your half.
Woohoo! There they are. Everybody 4 and like a half. Because that tastes pretty good. And we're going to put that into the microwave. We are going to nuke that on regular high power for 2 minutes. There it goes. While that is happening, I am going to grease my baking dish. Thank you very much. My 9x13 baking dish. I'm going to get that all greased up. You know what's going to happen now. I'm going to need a paper towel. I'm going to go up the sides. Now, the margarine, or the butter, in this case margarine, is your friend. Thank you very much, James, because without said margarine or butter, these are going to just become a horrifically sticky mess. Alright. So, all over the bottom, just like that. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. My marshmallows are becoming a monster in there. Good. So, my baking dish is now ready. My guys are doing their thing. I have a napkin to clean my fingers. Now, sir, we are going to need the Rice Krispies set up, please. I will move the dish out of the way. Move dish out of the way. And we need, I've got a 2-cup measuring cup, and I've got a 4-cup measuring cup. And we want
6.
6. Well, 6 kind of makes them hard. We're going to do 5.
5.
And then be semi-gooey. Okay. So there is. There's roughly 2 cups worth. So just get 3 over there, please, sir. Thank you. This is going to make a noise in a moment. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. It's still going to beep at me. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Can they see that?
No.
That marshmallow monster?
There we go. Yikes.
Isn't that exciting? This is a plastic dish. So yes, it is warm, but it's not too bad. I'm going to use my spoon that already has margarine on it to kind of mess this all around like that. And make a lovely swirly mess, just like that. They're not all completely melted together. This is going to be really weird. The marshmallows are practically going to disappear off the face of the earth. It's so funky when this happens. So, yes, you can take away the butter. Thank you. I'm going to stick my sticky marshmallow spoon over here on top of the Rice Krispies because that's not going to matter. This is going to go back in for 1 more minute. Just like this. 60 seconds. Start. Just like that. Da, 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 da. Okay. Actually, I am going to do the margarine one more time. I keep having James put the margarine away. And we keep doing it again. I'm going to have a sip of tea because that'll make life easier. Some people will use vanilla. I think you could use that if you so desire, but the marshmallows and just the margarine and the Rice Krispies, you don't even need the vanilla. It tastes fine without that. So if you don't have vanilla, do not concern yourself. Okay, here we are. Now here comes, this is a lot of fun. So I'm going to start with, so here, can you see how that has just, like the marshmallows are there, but they've melted down fairly into nothing. And that's okay. So stir them around a little bit again. And then we're going to add our Rice Krispies kind of in parts to make it easier. So my first part is here. This is 2 cups going in. Sticky, sticky. Ta-da! Thank you, James. And we're going to end up making ourselves like a giant Rice Krispie bowl. I can hear them snack crackle poppling. It's the heat. Okay, so that's 2 cups worth now. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. And now we're going to add a half of that, please, James. So another 1.5 cups there. Yay! Just because it's a lot easier to do it that way. Here we are. And another bit, please, sir. Yeah. Just keep stirring them around here until it pretty much doesn't pick up anymore. Now, as I say, you can use 6 cups. They get really solid then, and there's nothing wrong with that. They taste good. But if you want them a little gooier, simply use a few less Rice Krispies. So in this case, we're going to use only 5 cups. Yeah, there we are. Awesome. Thank you. I think we should have been using the tablespoon. The handle on this one's a little weak. Can you give me a different spoon, please, James? Thank you. I need a big one. Thank you very much. Thank you. Because, you know what I'm going to do, actually, first, before I do that, is this is the trick to make sure that nothing stickies. Put a little margarine right on my spoon. Ta-da! That, see that? That just skidded right off just like that because I did that. I use my napkin.
Aren't you intelligent?
Oh, I tell you, every once in a while I have a decent idea to... There, you can chew on this. So you can chew on this spoon.
Gladly.
Woohoo! Yummy!
Fiber.
Okay. Yeah, use a bigger spoon, guys. It is easier. And then you end up with this giant ball. I'll lend you the lid. Okay, James, you need to bring over our prepared tray in a moment here. There we go. See, there's this one wonderful stickiness. There we go. Almost got it. Perfect. Okay, so you have the prepared tray there, James? Awesome. And into that, we're just going to go
Glom.
glom, bonk. Just like that. One giant, careful, hot. Yeah, warm. They will be warm.
Worth it.
So worth it. Okay, and there is that. Now, in as much as you can, you use your buttered spoon. But these are going to be cooling fairly quickly. And you can see that they're just skidding all over the dish because the dish has also been buttered. It has been greased. It's alive! So the plan is just to get them out to the edges. But if that's not working completely like you want it to, again, get just a little bit more here. Put it on your fingertips. Remember, this will be hot, but you can. There we go. Start just kind of pushing it out, just like that. And that'll work. Here, James, do you want this spoon as well? There's a few more goodies on there.
Lovely.
There we are. And we're just going to straighten that into the dish. And that is all there is to it. Just as easy as that. I'm going to stick these in the fridge to cool. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'll show you when we got these.
Can I put the margarine away now?
Yes, now you can put the margarine away. Thank you, helpful Giant. He's my good helper. He also helps me eat them very well. the comments below if you think it's just nice and easy and if you would do anything different or if you're quite amazed by our lovely treat here. Okay, these have been in the fridge for, I'm going to say, all of 5 minutes. And now I'm going to come and try to cut them. Just like that. So they just need to cool long enough to kind of keep their form and not be one giant ball. Ooh. Oh, they're gooey. Maybe I should have kept them in the fridge for 10 minutes, but that's okay. Wait, wait! There you go. Simple to make, simple to eat. Rice Krispie treats. Okay, James.
The time has come.
The time has come. Oop. Cheers. Yeah. Enjoy.